What is up, my epic gamers? Today we are going to be reviewing Cheese Fruit and Nut Pack. See that? Here, let's show it to the camera. Cheese Fruit and Nut Pack. So yeah, let's read the nutrition labels. 180 calories. Sodium, 160, 8 grams of protein. You see, your boy's growing some muscles, you know. He's eating that good, that good deal. You know what I mean. But yeah, so we're just gonna eat this, and you know what? I'm gonna tell you how the cheese tastes first. So, I already took a bite. Now the nuts, your mother made that joke, and the raisins. Now we're gonna do all of them. Ow! Sorry about that, guys. I just get a little clumsy every now and then. But back to the food review. I think it was pretty solid. I think it was a pretty good food review, and I rate the cheese a 3 out of 4, and I rate the nut and the berry raisin a 3 tractors out of 4 Teslas. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, catch you guys next time.